making your application shine beyond GMAT and GRE scores. Hey there, future grad students. We know the stress that comes with test scores, especially when they're not quite what you'd hoped for. But today, we're going to talk about how to put your best foot forward even if your GMAT or GRE scores weren't top-notch. Remember, your application is a package deal, and we're here to help you highlight your other strengths. Scores are just numbers. Yes, they are important, but admissions officers look at the whole package. Think of your application as a story. Your scores might be one chapter, but there are many other chapters that showcase who you are and what you bring to the table. Emphasize your GPA, relevant coursework, or challenging projects you've tackled in your undergraduate years. If you've undertaken any additional professional training or certifications, highlight those too. They show a dedication to learning that can sometimes outweigh a single test score. Maybe you've led a team, managed projects, or even started your own business. These experiences speak volumes about your leadership potential, initiative, and real-world experience. Remember, grad schools aren't just looking for good test takers. They're looking for future leaders and innovators. Choose your recommenders wisely. Their words can give depth to your application and provide a perspective that scores alone can't. A glowing recommendation from someone who knows your work and character intimately can tilt the balance in your favor. This is your chance to shine and tell your story. Address the low score, but don't dwell on it. Instead, focus on your passions, why you're pursuing higher education, and what you plan to achieve with it. Admissions officers want to see your drive, your vision, and your dedication. Your involvement in clubs, organizations, or volunteer work showcases your interests outside of academics. These experiences not only enrich your application but also provide a glimpse into your character, dedication, and ability to manage your time effectively. Don't be disheartened by less than perfect test scores. Your application is a canvas where you paint a picture of who you are, and there are many colors to that picture. Keep it authentic, stay positive, and remember to highlight your strengths. We hope this video empowers you to present the best version of yourself in your grad school applications. Best of luck!